guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be changing out the spark plugs in my 2009 Nissan Altima. Now I have about 120,000 kilometers on the car and the spark plugs have never been changed on it. Now, typically you want to be changing them between 50 to 100,000 kilometers. The Nissan service manual actually recommends 169,000 kilometers change intervals, which is kind of excessive. No spark plugs ever really last that long, and you should be changing them out between 50 to 100,000 kilometers. Now, if you notice any performance issues with your engine relating to spark, like poorer fuel economy, lags, little things like that, it's time to change your spark plugs. So let's get started. All right, so to start, we're going to remove this plastic cover. It's held on by 3 hex bolts. Just like that, it pops off. All right, so this is what it looks like underneath the plastic cover. Now you want to remove each one of the coil packs. They're all held on with just a 10mm bolt on each one. So we're going to do that real quick. There you go. All out, and you can just easily pop it off. But let's disconnect the connectors for each coil pack. All right, so after you've disconnected all the connectors, all you have to do is just pull up on the coil pack and it comes right up like this. Now you will need a 14mm socket to loosen up all the spark plugs. Once you loosen them up, I will use a spark plug socket because it has a rubber O-ring inside of it that will stick onto the spark plug to extract it out. There you go, loosened. Some kind of butterfly. There you go, it should be loosened, and then we would use the spark plug extractor socket, stick it in there, plug it in, and there you go, spark plug is extracted. To put the new one in, same thing, use the spark plug extractor and just gently twist it in there. Should hold it enough for you to get the threads in, and then you could just unplug, switch it, and then hand tighten it the rest of the way. We'll do them all 4 first, and then we'll torque them down to 14 foot-pounds. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. All right, now we're ready to torque them all down. All right, so they're supposed to be torqued down to 14 foot-pounds. All right, now let's fire it up and see how it runs. There you go, guys. The spark plugs are all fully replaced on my 2009 Nissan Altima. We'll track the fuel economy over the next little while to see if it improves. But that's it for this video, guys. Hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.